Hi everyone, let's take a moment to appreciate this satin sleepwear or sleep gown, whatever you prefer to call it. Yes, it's a sleepwear and I think it's absolutely beautiful and has a great potential to be worn outside of the bedroom. This is from Amazon Fashion by a brand called Alcia Rosea. I will link this product in the description box down below for you all to check it out. For now, I'm going to style it in 7 easy wearable ways. Hope you like them. The first is the way shown with the satin skirt, also from the same brand, and will be linked as well. Secondly, I'm wearing it with my favorite wide leg culotte jeans from Zara. Very clean look, going subtle with my heels. The fit of the slip is loose and comfortable. The bag and heels is from Amazon Fashion, which will also be linked down below. And now switching to white wide leg pants again for a more classy, elegance and put together look. I've added a pop of color by adding a colorful bag which is from Shein. I think it's beautiful. The slit and the lace details are gorgeous and are enough to create a drama and shows a sign of romance and femininity. Switching the bags from the pop of color to a classic white just to have different looks. And now adding more satin and flow with the patent extra wide leg satin pants which are from Banana Republic. Bought them about 2 years ago. My clutch is thrifted. And now I'm using a hack where I fold up the extra fabric to my desired length, grab the excess neatly to the back and with a hair tie tucking it in to create a crop tank look. I think I adore this look very much. Keeping the same hat with jeans, finishing with the belt and oversized jean jacket from Amazon again. It's one of my best finds, will also be linked down below. Here I've gone for a more of a cooler vibe with my collars rolled up. You cannot go wrong with a vest jacket. It's more in trend, especially those of my gals who follow trends. This is definitely for you. It gives more of a finesse and structure to the look. Vest is from Zara a couple of years ago. I will try linking something similar. Clutch is thrifted. And now a simple but dramatic look with the addition of textures and fabric. Here I'm adding an open oversized cardigan such as this that instantly elevates the look. Monochromatic but different textures in my opinion looks very luxe and expensive. And now a recap of all the 7 looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I will see you next time in my next video. Until then, happy holidays my friends. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.